degrees outside, 35, 40. We're gonna try to do a 0 to 60 here real quick. Hopefully we get it. Of course this car's coming. But anyways, the car's pretty much completely stock, in case you haven't seen any of my other videos. Alright. See if we can get grab a little 0 to 60 right here. Like I said, it's only about 40 degrees outside, so obviously we had a little bit of tire spin there. I have a feeling I'll be redoing that 0 to 60 video pretty damn soon, but anyways, thanks guys, have a good day.